Namaskar everyone, welcome to Headlines of the Day. In this video, we will discuss major headlines of the Hindu. Before we start, I would say people rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing. तो चलिए फिर इसी के साथ आज का डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी पहली इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइन से, जो कि है सेंटर डिवाइसेस न्यू गाइडलाइंस फॉर टीवी चैनल्स ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑफ सोशली रेलेवेंट टॉपिक्स कंपल्सरी. इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन पेज नंबर 1 और ये रिलेटेड है पेपर 2 गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड इंटरवेंशन से. In this article, we have to know about the new guidelines for uplinking and downlinking of television channels in India and objectives and need of the move. तो दोस्तों, recently Union Cabinet approved the new guidelines for uplinking and downlinking of television channels in India, under which all the stations holding permission except for the foreign channels would have to broadcast contents on issue of national importance and social relevance for at least 30 minutes every day. Our next important headline is Kerala joins Tamil Nadu, Bengal in a bid to curb governor's power. It is available on page number 5 और ये related है paper 2 Parliament and State Legislature से. In this article we have to know about governor related issues and recommendations. तो दोस्तों, गवर्नर से रिलेटेड हमारी वेबसाइट पे कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा अवेलेबल है, लिंक हमने अवेलेबल करा दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Our next important headline is the EWS judgment and the shadow of Pandora. It is available on page number 6 और ये related है paper 2 polity and governance से. In this article, we have to know about the Supreme Court of India's recent verdict on reservation to economically weaker sections, its repercussions and why is it being debated and what lies ahead. तो दोस्तों, इन सारे पॉइंट्स को यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर दिया गया है. इसके अलावा हमने अपनी वेबसाइट पे भी इसको कवर किया है, लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, राइट. Our next important headline is Policing with talent, resource sharing, not squabbling. It is available on page number 6 और ये related है paper 2 governance और paper 3 internal security से. In this article, we have to know what are the various steps taken to improve the quality of policing in the country, vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, existing issues and what lies ahead. तो दोस्तों, इन सारे पॉइंट्स को यहाँ पे बहुत शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया है, राइट. और इसके अलावा पुलिस रिफॉर्म के ऊपर हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी कंटेंट अवेलेबल है. अभी न्यूज में क्यों है दोस्तों? क्योंकि रिसेंटली मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स convened a conference which was aimed at improving the quality of policing in the country through an exchange of ideas, right? And one more thing, police is a state subject under the distribution of powers laid down in the Constitution of India. Our next important headline is Enforcing the ban on the two-finger test. It is available on page number 7 और ये related है paper 1 social issues से. In this article, we have to know about two-finger test, recent Supreme Court's ruling on it, and what do government's guidelines say about it, and other attempts to stop the two-finger test, and what lies ahead. तो दोस्तों, इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया है, लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, राइट. उसके अलावा आप यहां से भी कुछ पॉइंट्स देख सकते हैं, ठीक. Our next important headline is In the hopes for a clear blue sky. It is available on page number 8 और ये related है paper 3 environment section से. In this article, we have to know what led to high pollution in Delhi and what are the measures taken to tackle major polluters. तो दोस्तों, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आर्टिकल है, यहाँ पे इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मैप. तो आप एक बार देख लीजिएगा, ठीक. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइन इज DY Chandrachud takes charge as 50th Chief Justice of India. It is available on page number 10 और ये related है paper 2 जुडिशरी सेक्शन से. In this article, we have to know how is the Chief Justice of India appointed. तो दोस्तों, इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे रिसेंटली कवर किया है, लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, ठीक. Our next important headline is Pashmina shawls have Shahtood guard here, say customs official, all fluff, counter traders and artisans. It is available on page number 12 और ये रिलेटेड है पेपर 1 आर्ट एंड कल्चर से. इन दिस आर्टिकल वी हैव टू नो अबाउट पश्मीना शॉल्स एंड सहतूश. तो दोस्तों, अगर हम पश्मीना की बात करें, पश्मीना इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रीड्स ऑफ माउंटेन गोट्स फाउंड इन तिब्बत एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ लद्दाख एंड इन द हिमालयन रीजन ऑफ इंडिया. India contributes only about 1% of the total pashmina, but the pashmina produced in India is considered the best of the lot and occupies a unique position. अगर हम शहतूश की बात करें दोस्तों, तो it is fine undercoat fiber obtained from the Tibetan antelope, which is known locally as chiru, and it is a species living mainly in Tibet. Shahtush offers high level of smoothness and warmth. Therefore, Shahtush shawls became a highly expensive commodity. Our next important headline is Level of groundwater extraction lowest in 18 years. Fine study. It is available on page number 12 और ये related है paper 3 environment section से. In this article we have to know about the findings of latest assessment of Central Groundwater Board for groundwater extraction. तो दोस्तों, according to an assessment by the Central Groundwater Board, groundwater extraction in India saw an 18-year decline. Our next and last important headline is rupees settled trade suitable for export obligation perks. It is available on page number 14 और ये related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article we have to know what are the objectives behind center's recent move to expand the norms for incentives and export obligations under the foreign trade policy. तो दोस्तों, recently government has expanded the norms for incentives and export obligations under foreign trade policy to cover foreign trade transactions settled in rupees, and the move is aimed to facilitate and to bring ease in international trade transactions in Indian rupees. Right? तो दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thanks for listening. For regular updates you can follow us on various social media platforms.